You know, you've obviously been certainly an advocate of the big dominant tech names for a while. They've done great. We have this sort of wobble in the NASDAQ that seemed to accelerate yesterday. Fed fears, but other things going on, too, and this general perception that maybe they kind of just overshot in their valuations, and this is kind of a needed correction. How do you see things?
Look, it's a white knuckle period. And we knew going into 2022, we'd see some of these. And the trading years start off with a surge of selling, especially with Fed minutes being the straw that brought the camel's back. But look, when I look at the next year, it's the strongest growth in terms of talking to CIOs and enterprise that we've seen in the last 20 years. So when I look at the digital transformation led by names like Microsoft, of course, you know, what AWS is doing, you look at cybersecurity, I think those are going to be areas that are still going to significantly outperform. We think tech stocks from here are up 20% plus, and these will ultimately be the defining moments. Do you sit here, look at the red screen and do nothing, or do you find the winners and the secular ways to play this surge of selling?
Yeah, and I guess the question is, you know, is this the moment and the level? You know, Microsoft, just to take one, it's pulled back pretty hard, almost 10% from a high, but it was up 53% last year. It's now at levels first reached just a couple of months ago. So, you know, has it all been rationalized to a certain degree, and are people genuinely, you know, I guess maybe overdoing it in the near term just yet?
Well, I could tell you over the last 48 hours, I mean, in terms of hand-holding with clients, it's 2-to-1 clients that are looking to sharpen the pencils, which are the names to own here in the sell-up, rather than sort of heading for the exits. And I think it just speaks to what we're seeing in terms of the growth. You know, of course, there's going to be some froth, the work-from-home names like we've talked about, you know, the best is in the rearview mirror. But you look at cloud, you look at cybersecurity. I think cybersecurity is going to be a safety blanket area across tech. You know, when you look at names like Palo Alto, even high-flyer names like Zscaler, Tenable, and others. So I'm not sitting here thrown in the white towel. I just view this as a hand-holding period. It's a complex Fed backdrop. But I can tell you in 21 years of covering tech, I mean, these are the periods that define you, not times to sort of head for the exits, given we view we're still in the middle innings of a fourth industrial revolution.